This is a 2017 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew with a sport package. Silver over cloth interior. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Cruise control. Bluetooth for your cell phone. Navigation. Satellite radio. Microsoft Sync, which includes streaming audio. Panoramic moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards. Aluminum wheels. Backup sensors. Tonneau cover. Backup camera. Sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter turbocharged engine. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.